So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making some lentils and beef stew. So if you wanna watch how I make it, keep on watching and let me get started. So I'm gonna start by cutting up the meat. I'm gonna take off the fatty parts because I don't want to incorporate that to my stew. Too much fat, it's not good for a truck driver, and I'm trying to stay as healthy as possible, but I still like my meat, so that's why we're adding some beef. But we're gonna try to remove all the fats that this meat has. So I want to show you guys how I make this soup or stew, whatever. It's really good. I make it quite often, and I figured that I was gonna film it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So it's hard sometimes to cook in my truck, but I've tried to make it a thing. I try to incorporate like homemade meals kind of thing because it's the healthiest way to go when you're on the road. It's hard to find healthy food, and so that's why I started cooking, and it is possible. I always make the time, the effort. I always make my green smoothies and stuff like that, so I could be on the healthy side. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know if you like this kind of content. I'll keep creating more videos on things that I make in my truck. It's not easy, but it's totally doable. So
I'll be adding just a little bit of oil. I'm gonna sort of there. I think that's fine. And actually the pot, it's very warm now, so I'm gonna get this. You hear that? That's how you want it. The windows are down, and let me get my tongues out. Here's my microwave. These are the 3 seasonings that I'm gonna be using. I love all of these 3. I'm gonna start with the garlic seasoning. So just gonna add, I think that's fine. That's gonna give it a nice smell. Now I'm gonna be adding this red seasoning right here. Oops, that was a little too much. Okay, now we're gonna spread it around. Gonna cover the lid so that it thoroughly cooks. There. Now we're just gonna wait for this to be for the meat to be thoroughly cooked, and then we're gonna add the lentils and the water. Added water to the lentils. I usually use the Good and Gather clear purified water. So there you have it. And then in a couple of minutes, when this starts to boil, I'm gonna add the lentils and I'm gonna lower the heat. Ooh. Just added the cup of lentils. Let's see how that goes. It's already simmering, which is pretty good. And there you guys have it. And here's my final results from my lentil soup. This is about to get good. I have my coffee there, and we're all good to start eating our meal. Peace.